Eat protein with each meal to boost your muscle mass. You need protein to build and maintain muscle. To achieve this, you should be looking to eat at least 1 gram per 454 grams of body weight. That's 200 grams per day. If you weigh 91 kilograms, the easiest way to get this amount is to eat a whole protein source with each meal. These include red meat, beef, pork, lamb, etc. Poultry, chicken, turkey, duck, etc. Fish, tuna, salmon, sardines, mackerel, etc. Eggs. Don't believe the cholesterol myth. Eat the yolk. Dairy, milk, cheese, cottage cheese, quark, yogurt, etc. Whey, not necessary but great for easy post-workout shakes. Try vegan options too, such as lentils, tofu, seeds, and nuts. Eat fruit and vegetables with each meal. Most of them, not all, are low calorie. You can eat your stomach full without gaining fat or weight. Fruit and vegetables are also full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, which helps digestion. But just be careful to check the sugar content of some fruits. Eat carbs only after your workout. While you need carbs for energy, most people eat more than they need. Limit your carbohydrate intake to after your workout only. Eat fruit and vegetables with all meals. This contains few carbohydrates compared to whole grains with the exception of corn, carrots, and raisins. Another carbs post-workout only. This is rice, pasta, bread, potatoes, quinoa, oats, etc. Avoid white carbs and eat whole grain.